So it's that time of year to save some money and win some big prizes. And I'll tell you how to win those prizes a little bit later. But first, I want to tell you about some of my favorite deals that are happening at Ulanzi right now.
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel. My name's Danny Black, and don't be a stranger. And I'll put links to everything down in the description, plus a surprise link. And I've always had a really good brand relationship with Ulanzi because they were like the first ones that ever sent me a product to review. That was like 3 years ago. So I wanted to make this video right here to highlight some of the really good deals on the products that I find very useful, because they have a whopping 20 to 22% off site-wide. So basically everything on their site is on sale. Like this 40-watt battery-powered light. This thing is very useful. I use it all the time. And right now you can save a whopping $22 on it. And you can also get this really cool fog machine, which I don't actually have that yet, but I want it because it looks so awesome. But you can save up to $25 off that. This teleprompter, you can save $11. This ring light video rig comes in under $55. This smart pixel clock comes in under $43. Ooh, all right. The U-Mic dual wireless system right here from Ulanzi, which is shockingly good and has a lot of great features. You can save $22 off of them right now. This low profile mic arm comes in under $28. The Video Go travel tripod, which is an amazing carbon fiber tripod, all the bells and whistles and everything else in between. You can save around $60 on that. So check out Ulanzi's site right now because all of those deals are happening for anything that you want to get 20 to 22% off. Yeah. And what I want you to do is actually leave a comment on this video right now. Tell me which of these products that I just showed you that you would like to win. I'm going to draw your name at random, and maybe you might win one of those prizes, which would be awesome. And this is all going to go down on the Danny Black Friday event, where it's a live stream. You have to be watching live to claim your prize, unless you are a channel member for $1 a month. But that is a big member perk. And if you want to win this video tripod right here, which is really amazing, really sleek, just like the best, make sure you watch the video where I show you all the details about that. You can click and watch that right now, and I tell you what to say and how you can win, because we're gonna do the drawing on that Danny Black Friday event. And in fact, if you want to learn more about that, you can watch that video right there. Whew, lots going on. This is a busy time of year, so I'm excited to do all the giveaways and stuff. So running out of time on this last end screen, so gotta go. Thanks for watching. Bye.